second prime wardrobe box. Once again, I ordered 8 pieces. That is the maximum that they will let you order. You have to order at least 3. So they include a return label along with a label of what you ordered. So let's start with the Calvin Klein pants, which I am looking for more work pants. So I thought this might be a good option. Pretty standard black work pants, dress pants. So we will try those on shortly and see how they work. We will try to keep the clothing with the plastic bag that it came in because of the labels. It makes it easier for the return process also. This here is a blouse from Lark, which is one of Amazon's in-home or in-house brands. Let's get a nice basic shirt, hopefully for work. The last box that I had a couple of Lark things in there that fit okay, so we'll see how this one works. Is a Daily Ritual, which I do believe is another in-house brand for Amazon. Pretty standard black shirt. This is another Lark sweater, longer duster sweater. It's getting colder, so this is more of an appropriate sweater to wear these days. That one out. This is another Lark top. There seems to be a plethora of Lark clothing available for Prime Wardrobe, which makes sense given that it's their brand. And then this was actually a 2-pack I was pretty excited for. This is the Amazon Essentials brand. Once again, another in-house brand. However, these are just basic long sleeve t-shirts. Nice for knocking around, running errands, wearing underneath sweaters. I like that it was a 2-pack, and the Amazon brand is pretty reasonably priced also. So we'll try them. Alright, I also got 2 pairs of shoes. One more of a loafer for hopefully work. both of these pairs of shoes are by Clark. And then this one is more of a casual, everyday sort of shoe. Wearing on the weekends, running around, that sort of thing. So, let's try some of this stuff on. So these are the Clark's Janice loafers. Excuse the goofy socks. These are leather, so they are a little tight, but they will stretch out eventually. These were on sale for about $52. Not bad for Clark's at all. Pretty comfortable, but like I said, a little tight because they're leather and actually never been worn before. So that's pair number one. These are, once again, the Clark Kinsey loafers. So let's try these on together. Pretty basic flat. This is one of the 2-pack of shirts. Size small, pretty true to size. Like I said, it looks like a good basic layering top. It's actually a Daily Ritual brand, once again, not the Amazon Essentials, but close. The 2-pack is $20, which is a pretty good price for just a generic long sleeve shirt. Is the Lark and Roche top. What do they call this one? They call this one... Maybe it's not Lark and Roche. It's the... I don't know what they call this one. Oh, this is the Lark and Roche 3/4 sleeve blouse with roll tab sleeves. They've got the roll tab here. I don't know how they classify this as 3/4 length, but these sleeves should roll up. And there you go. There's your 3/4 length. There's that. It's pretty lightweight. Work well with some skinny jeans or some skinnier work pants. Not sure if I'll keep this or not. This isn't my favorite color. It seems to be a little tight across the chest here. It pulls a little funny. So I think this one will go back. The Lark and Roche long open front cardigan sweater. Once again, a size small. It's nice and soft. Kind of like a warm blanket. It's just above the knee. No tie closer or anything. Nice and warm. This one is a little bit more on the expensive side. It's a $69 sweater. I don't know if I'm going to keep it for that price, but It is very nice. I suppose it would depend on how well it holds up in the wash, but we'll think on this one for a little bit. This is the Daily Ritual. They call it the Jersey Bunch sleeve top. This one is $19, so pretty reasonably priced. Size small. Seems to be a little baggy. Bunch of sleeves. Not bad. Pretty similar to a couple of shirts I already own, so I do like it. But due to the similarities, it will most likely go back because I don't need another 3/4 length black sleeved shirt. 3/4 length sleeve black shirt in my closet. And the last two pieces are the Lark and Row. What do they call this one? This is Daily Ritual again. Oh, this is Daily. No, this is Lark and Row. I know I'm missing a side. That's right now. This is the Lark and Row long sleeve top with lace up front. Size small in watermelon. And I also slipped on the Calvin Klein Madison pants. These are size 6, very much true to size. They are a little long. Makes it a little difficult. Once again, this Lark and Row top, it fits a little funny across the chest and arms. I don't know if sizing up would necessarily fix that. I think it's just the cut of the shirts, but now that it's been that way on a couple of different shirts, I know Lark and Row brand is probably not for me. But I do like the shirt. So the Calvin Klein pants are $79. I will probably be keeping these based upon the fact that I do need some new work pants. And the long sleeve top is $45. So there you have it. Amazon wardrobe box number 2.